Welcome back. This is going to be another plant video because I forgot about something I used to do to help prevent gnats. I started it yesterday, but I ran out. So gnats like to, I guess, start their life in moist soil. If they don't have organic material. Why is there a shadow? Oh, it's the camera. If they don't have organic material to live in, they will not produce. So in the past, I used to take play sand. I had to get more today. Thank you to Toys R Us for providing that for me because my work did not have any more. So anyway, you take and you put about an inch-ish, whatever you can afford to put on the top of the plant. I don't really want to replant plants like in a bigger pot so that they have more room at the top, so I'm hoping that I can make more room. Anyway, I started yesterday because I had a little bit of sand left from when I used to do that, but a lot of my plants are newer and they didn't have that sand. So some of them I've already done from yesterday, but I'm going to continue and kind of show you what I do. I'm gonna try to put you there. Now that would be perfect if I could. Oh, we're gonna try to put a pillow back there. And not have you fall. Okay, that's not too bad because I can move this over here. Oh. That worked real well. Okay, let's try that again. It's almost perfect. Okay, just a sec. Let's use the Christmas present I bought myself. It's a blanket. Oh, goodness gracious. Okay, that should be good. Okay, let's... I really should do this first, but then it would not be my video. Okay. Okay, whoa, that's like perfect. Okay, as long as nothing falls again. So what I'm going to do is anything, a lot of these were done. Okay, this one was not done. It also needs to be watered. I'll actually do, most of them I watered yesterday. So I'm just gonna give this one a drink out of my bottle. I might, if I notice a lot that needs to be watered, you do water, of course, after you put the sand in, but because I don't know how much it needs, like I can't, by looking at the sand I can't test, so I'll water it before. Anyway, so I just pour, let's say this is dusty sand, but that's okay. And then you just shake. This piece might not survive. I don't know. This is the one that wasn't doing great. But it might come back. I think I already did this one. Yes. I think this one needed more. I ran out when I was doing this one, so I'm going to put a little more. There we go. I don't really worry too much about cacti and stuff like that because now it does make it prettier, but you don't water those as much, so they don't tend to have an issue. Ooh, like making clouds. I don't water my ZZ a lot, but it looks nicer, and I've already had sand in here, so. So we're just gonna give this a little shake. Oh. All right, so I do want to do this guy, and I'm gonna try to push its soil down a bit. It's a weird shape, so I don't really want to change its pot until I have to, although it's been in this one for a while. I did bottom water this one yesterday in also hopes to try to keep the top of the soil. That's not gonna work. Okay, just a second. Well, I just won't be able to bottom water. Let's just try. And we lost another leaf. We lost a lot of them yesterday. So I can probably like water him more. Anyway, I might try to repot him in the near future. He's just so round, and I don't want to like, most pots are big on the bottom. Do you know what I mean? So I don't want to give him too much. Most plants don't like to get a really big pot, but he's so big around. Anyway, I think you know what I mean. Now this money tree does have sand, but it's kind of, it does kind of wash down in the soil eventually. I just had some little marbles in there, so we're just gonna add a little bit to it to top it off. And I'm not gonna bring my rubber tree over, just because it's large. I'm just gonna, it also already has sand in it, I'm just gonna mainly in the middle. It's so my Christmas cactus wasn't doing very well, so I repotted it, but I am going to put sand back in it. It has a little bit left, but anyway, I am going to put sand in it because it likes water. Oh man, it likes water more than cactus. Excuse the dust. Oh, all my laces came on. The joy of timers. I noticed a lot of people in my neighborhood like don't have timers, that they pretty much just leave their lights on all the time, and I'm like, I feel like, I don't know, you get to use a timer year after year, so I feel like there's a, hopefully this guy comes back. There's a savings to turning your lights off. I don't know, some of them are like per me. Like I'll go to bed at like 2 in the morning because I've been on vacation and people's lights are still on, and I'm like, who the heck is enjoying these lights? And ooh, this one definitely needs to be done because this one loves water. I don't know why, but I like to get little toys to put in them. So I'm just going to checking to see if anyone was moving at that moment. Didn't see anybody. No, this one has a leaf. Actually, I'm going to take that leaf off. Well, no. I lied. I can unbury it a little bit. And maybe take a little bit of sand out. Beautiful. Maybe a little more. There. And then I'm gonna set the little buggies in there. Okay, so those are done. These are playing in the dark over here. I guess I could turn the light on. I did pay the bill. Because I've already put some in a snake plant over here, I'm going to add more just because it does look nice. If it's all like one similar color. Just trying to think if, oh, I do need to do my goldfish plant. It's huge and awkward, so I'm just going to go and do it. Actually, would you like to come with me? You can come with me. Oh, cheers. Okay, so actually I ran it with that guy too. So, oh. Now, he's quite dry. I'll actually give him, I'm going to stop right now with him because he's really dry and the soil has shrunk and there's more room in it than needs to be. Okay, this guy, this is where I ran out, I believe, because half of it's, I'll go get some more. If the container wasn't so heavy, I would bring it in the room, but it's probably like half as light now though, half as heavy, whatever. It's kind of the same thing. Oh. Yeah, this is the plan I made last night. So I just try to cover all the, and if you can get a little more, like I said, more the better. Those two up there do need to be covered. Let me set you down. Can you just, there, beautiful. Here we go. Okay, so this will probably give me a couple trips up there. These guys will also need to be watered, but that's okay. Actually, just a second. Let me grab some water first. Okay. That's a dusty sand. Whew. Okay. So what I'm going to do is water this one and then put the sand in. Okay, so that's probably going to need another one because that's a big pot. Oh yeah, it's this one that needed water. Give him a good drink. carefully bring this down. Perfect. I don't know if you've seen the video where I said, but all this long stuff is all new growth since I moved in here. My vines appreciate the light from this window. Give him a little drink first. I have to get probably the same 2 cups of sand. I'll be right back. Now, this one's a little bushier. I'm gonna make sure I get in the pot. Oh, and I didn't. That brings back. Oh God. Okay. Okay, just a sec. We're having issues. Oh God. Okay. Shake it in there. Okay. Okay. Well, that one was a little messier than all the rest. Okay. So, bring back memories with sand in my mouth. Okay. Okay. Boo Bear. Oh, shit.
Yeah.
Whoops. Can you give me another thing of sand? Why is it? Oh. Oh my goodness. Ah! I don't know. I'm so confused. I don't know if I need it or not. Here.
Didn't act quick enough.
Can you leave the cheese, please? Kids, it's heavy.
What am I doing?
Filling it with a lost puppy. A grumpy lost puppy. Okay. Clearly I have to get a broom for this one.
So you made yourself a little sandball. Alright.
Thank you, sir.
Bye-bye.
Looks like I painted the plant. How was this? What? I don't even. It looks all twisted. What did I do? What did I do? I don't know. Anyway, whatever. Okay, that was not enjoyable. Anyway, sand everywhere. So I pretty much covered in sand, dirt all over here. So I have cleaning up to do. So those are done. Those two don't need to be done. So yeah, I think this floor is done. I might have a couple to do upstairs, But you get the idea. I'm gonna some of them can have a little bit more. I wanted to do everybody before, but I got lots of sand left. So I'll double check everybody and make sure everyone get done, but you get the idea. So if you have a gnat problem, you can put some sand on top of your pots, and that helps deter them, I guess, because they need that organic soil to reproduce and make your life a living hell. I hate them. They're not too bad when they're in the sand, but when they all become flies and they're flying around your face, and you think they're fruit flies and they're not fruit flies, and your plants keep reproducing more and more and more. Yeah, no. I've had enough of that in my life, so I'm trying to do everything I can to prevent that. So I hope you like this video. I hope it helps you. Anyway, have a good night. Talk to you later. Bye.